Okay, so let's get our acronym. SOHCAHTOA. Wrote down. Oops, that's an A. Okay, SOHCAHTOA. Alright, so it always ends in A. Now, we go, here's my angle, right? So point to the opposite side. So that's O. Here's my 90, that's H. This is A. Get these two letters, okay? Label those two sides, O and H, and then the third side is always A. Alright, now, we have nothing here. We are given X here, and we're given 20. So A and H. Okay, I want this one. So cosine 75, okay, degrees is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So 20 over X. Okay, go ahead and menu 3-1 that.